here we have the next question. So we have a particle which is acted upon by three forces as shown in the diagram. Given that it is in equilibrium, find the size of angle theta. So theta is over here, okay, and we have to find the magnitude of W. So are we supposed to take any normal reaction here? No, we should not take it. So we are supposed to find the angle theta. Angle theta and W2 are unknown. Alright, so let's take up, this will be our y-axis, correct?
Yes.
This will be our y-axis, and this will be our x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
So x and y-axis. So this angle here will be theta, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we need to start solving it. So sigma y direction, let's take y components all. So 30, the component is sine 45.
Yes, sir.
And it is acting upwards. Then for 40, component is 40 sine 30. Again it's acting in positive y direction. Whereas W cos theta, no?
Yes.
This one is acting in negative y direction, so minus. This total should be 0 because the object is in equilibrium. So W cos theta, you will get the value. If we send it to the other side, it becomes positive. This value we need to find. What do we get? So that is 30 into sine 45 plus 40 into sine 30. 41.21, right?
Yes.
41.21. So this becomes equation number 1. Then sigma x, take all the x components. So for 40, the x component is 40 cos 30, and it's in positive x direction. For 30 newtons, it is 30 cos 45 degrees, but it is acting in negative x direction, so minus. Then W sine theta, and it will act in this direction, that is opposite to x, so minus. So total should be 0. Once again send sine W sine on other side, we get W sine theta equals, do the calculation, 40 cos 30 minus 30 cos 45, 13.43, correct?
Yes.
This is equation number 2. So once again we have it in W sine theta, W cos theta format. So this time let's do equation 2 divided by equation 1, because we want tan theta, no?
Yes.
So W gets cancelled, we get sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta, that's nothing but tan theta. This is on the left side. On the right side we get 13.43 divided by 41.21. So theta will be tan inverse of this. What do we get? So tan inverse 13.43 divided by 41.21, that's 18.05
Yes.
degrees. So now we have the theta value. Let us substitute in one of the equations, and that equation will give us the value of W. W will be equal to 13.43 divided by sine of angle theta. Theta is 18.05. That's what we found just now. So find this value, 13.43 by sine 18.05. That's 43.34. This is in newtons. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the magnitude, and this is the direction of our known force. Okay. Yeah, this is the angle of slope, actually not the direction of W. This is the angle of slope and this is the magnitude of weight. Okay.
Yes.
Let's take the next one.